everyone, it's Sarah here from Happy Hands UK, back with another. So today I've been busy working on some new cutter designs and I just wanted to share it with you. Should have maybe cleaned my little thing a bit better first. Sorry. A little splash of tea. Okay, so the shape that I have is these little beauties, and they are a pair of earring cutters. So I drew out this shape. I had a rough doodle to start with, just doing quick shapes, and and then I refined it into this cat claw is what I'm going to call it. I think it reminds me of the claw of a cat. I'm calling this cat claw earring cutters, and then just to duplicate that exactly, I then turned this piece over, scribbled on the back, and that gave me two. And then I popped that in my scanner on my computer and uploaded it to Fusion 360, and I created these little beauties. Pair of cutters for earrings. Now the size of the actual blade is 5.5 centimeters, which is 55 millimeters, and that's from point to point, and that's on both of them. And I just wanted to show you them in action. I've not actually used them yet. As you can see, there's no staining of clay on there yet. Let me just grab this. It's got a bit of dust on it because I've been doing some sanding over there with some other bits of jewellery. We don't want that. Just going to give it a wipe. Okay, so I'm going to plop this on here. When I have thin clay like this, I prefer to cut on the tile and not pick it up again, because it distorts it picking it up. At least I do. So I've just made up a quick skinner blend, and this is mother of pearl, and I think it's just yellow. I'm not sure if it's sunshine yellow. It was just an ornament that I had in my little tub that didn't have any wrapper on it. So I'm gonna plop this down. I'm just seeing little bits of fluff. I bet my cat came in here when I left the room before I started. Oh dearie me. Just gonna use my dress to kind of dry it off a little bit. Oh, that's making it worse. Oh dear. Get off. Sorry. Alright, I'm just gonna have to leave it at that, because it's just a quick demonstration of these cutters. So yeah, I thought that these are nice earring shapes. So a little hole in the clay would be this end, and it would dangle this way. I suppose it could dangle both ways. So I'm just going to try and get central in the colour and do a cut. So this is a live testing, so I've not yet tested these out. And they look okay to me. The edge looks okay. It looks like it's printed really well. And another one. Corner just came up. So let's do the peel. Very sticky clay this. So as you can see, that's cut really, really well. I'm just going to give this a wipe here. This clay is very sticky. I don't think I'd dried. Oh no! Oh no, 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 no! I don't think I dried the tile very well, so it's made it stick even more. You can tell this is out of my scraps. It's full of hair. Bit gutted about that, but never mind. My fault. So I'll head off and bake these, and I'll see how they turn out as earrings. Don't know if they're going to be in the shop just yet, because They've literally just come off the printer and I'm not sure when I'll get this out. Oh no, Sarah. Oh, dearie me. I'm a silly Billy, aren't I? I'm still going to do it. I'm still going to do it. I might actually try and be clever. Right, so if that's in there, if I can just shove that up a bit. No, I can't. I'm not. I'm going to leave it. You're being daft. I'll fix it. I'll sand it down once it's baked. I'll go off and bake this and I will be back. Okay, so here we are. We're out of the oven. I did replace this. I just couldn't have. I couldn't have fixed it and then it would have been odd and it would have just annoyed me. So I reused the edges and folded the edges over and made another Skinner blend, and I just quickly did another piece. I'm just a bit heavy-handed sometimes. So what I've done here is I've got a little bit of UV resin, and into that I've popped some coral alcohol ink just for a bit of colour. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the other end of my brush and I'll coat the tip of it, and all I'm going to do is just pop a few little dots just for some focal colour the side like that, trying to get them similar, not bothered about them being exact. And then I'll need to very quickly, that's done with, I don't want that setting on my tile, pop that into my UV lamp and just give it a flash cure. Just I think 10 or 20 seconds should do it. And then I'm going to, that was 10 seconds, that's enough. And then I'm just gonna UV resin it as I would normally. I'll do that and I'll come back. So there we are, that's these earrings completed. I did take the liberty of just popping some pinch bail ear hooks onto each earring here. This is just a quick demonstrational video for the sake of the cutters, to let you know that they're new in the shop. So if you'd like to purchase these, I will leave a link at the end of the video and in the description box to my shop, and particularly to these shapes. And if you'd like to go and take a look, you're very welcome to. And yeah, I'm really happy with them. I like the way that they hang. And when I was looking at designing them, I was thinking about whether you know, the tail of them would make them hang kind of off center or a bit weird, but they don't. They hang really well as an earring. I can't really show you. Yes, I can. How well they hang. There you go. So yes, I am extremely happy with those. So yeah, if you'd like to take a look at them, they're over in my shop. I'll make sure that they go live the same time as this video. And that's it for today, just a quick video. So thank you very much, and I will see you soon with a new tutorial, which is in the making, and will be out very soon with the die cutting machine earrings. So see you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.